Hello friends, good day to everybody, and today I am here to talk about public speaking and how can you be a good public speaker. And I'll give you some tips which will make you a better public speaker. And before that, I'll also like to introduce myself. I'm 𝗪𝗪 and from the group of trainers Impact. And before we start, let's hey, hello everybody. So today we are going to create a life-changing moment for everyone. Let me start with a question. Tell me guys, what do you think is the most feared aspect of human life? Something which a human fears the most. Yes, I'm sure, like many of you would come up with an answer. It is death or a fear of losing someone very special, somebody very near. I also thought so, but you would be surprised that the statistic shows that the top 10 fears, amongst the top 10 fears, the first number one fear is the fear of public speaking, speaking in front of the live audience. Isn't it astonishing? Yes, it is. So I am 𝗪𝗪 from a group of trainers which is Impact. And we are coming up with a webinar on 6th of September, 9:30 in the evening, 9:30 p.m. And our experts are going to talk about, give some takeaways and give some tips to you about how to conquer this fear, how to be a better public speaker. It's a short webinar, but it's going to be very, very useful. And I guarantee you that within 24 hours of attending this webinar, you are going to be a better speaker in front of your audience, in front of your group, may it be at home or may it be on the stage. So I would like to see you there very soon, and just save your date, 6 September, 9:30 p.m. I'm going to share a link down below. You can click that and join our WhatsApp community where we are going to update you about the event. Thank you, 𝗪𝗪, and see you all soon. Bye-bye. Hi friends, so I'm back again. So दोस्तों, आपने दो वीडियोस देखे, दोनों एक ही सब्जेक्ट पे और एक ही बंदा बोल रहा है. आपने क्या नोटिस किया? व्हाट डिफरेंस डिड यू नोटिस इन बोथ द वीडियोस? आपने देखा होगा जो पहला वीडियो है वहां पे जो स्पीकर है वो थोड़ा नर्वस है. ही डजंट सीम टू बी very very enthusiastic. Energy is missing, body language is very very weak. He is holding piece of papers in his hands. और वो जब बोल रहा है, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के बारे में बोल रहा है, आपसे कम्युनिकेट करने की ट्राई कर रहा है, he is not able to connect with you. He is looking at the pages every now and then. He is sweating. He's losing his voice and his mouth is getting dry. So somewhere down the line, in the first few seconds, he's losing entire touch with the audience. That is you. Okay, shift to the second one. Second one में आपने देखा, a person, the speaker is coming in front of you. He has both his hands open. He's making an eye contact. There is some kind of enthusiasm and energy in his voice. He's starting up with a question. He's building up a curiosity. And then he's putting up some statistics in front of you. And after that, he's introducing himself and his group and what he's going to do and what he expects from you. So this is what is public speaking is all about. So I'm talking about this webinar which we are going to organize on Friday, the coming Friday, 6 September, 9:30 p.m. where group of trainers, the experts from my group, are going to take a very short webinar. They are going to give you some beautiful takeaways, some tips, and which would help you to become a better speaker the very next day. So these are very, very strong tips which can be instantly utilized. So please join us, and we look forward to see you all there very soon. Thank you and bye-bye.